Welcome to Slop in the Shop. This is my internet video blog. This is what's going on, and it doesn't make a video. Sometimes it's a slideshow of things, sometimes it's videos of pieces of projects, sometimes it's purchases, just whatever. And I know it's one of my favorite videos is Produces Slop because there's just a lot of variety in it. With that being said, sit back and enjoy us feeding these internet pigs. And when we get done feeding these pigs, we'll come by, tell you bye. So no further ado, let's get these pigs fed today. It seems like I'm a bit klutzy. I was out working on a race car today, and you'll probably see some of that in the slop. That what happened was, this bushing that goes on the front brakes, seems like I found a way to lose one of them. And so what I'm going to do is make me a couple extra just to have, or make two. I got to make one, I might as well make two. So I'm going to this piece of coal roll right here. And I got one of the two bushings. Let me give me a stop set. We're going to make a little pushing this morning. I faced it off. Let me get a little turn here, see what we got looking at. And we'll measure this thing up. This is a simple little job. It's not going to be real complicated. Basically, I'm just going to drill a metric hole in it, make a little bushing. I'll just get me a place to measure from, and then we'll work from there. Okay, that's 610. Man, that's already too small. It's like I'm going to start over. I'm making bushings. Alright, I'm going to throw up a quick picture. I didn't take very many of them. I may have one or two. I'm not sure right now when I'm doing this. 2 weeks ago on a Saturday, we had my 45th high school class reunion over the nearby golf facility that's banquet hall. And that tells you I ain't no spring chicken because it's 1974 when I graduated from high school. So that'll tell you I'm not no young man no more. Chris and I had a really good time. I met up some people. I've been working on the committee planning this too. So I hope you enjoy these few pictures of that too. So no further ado, enjoy the pictures. Good morning, this is Jim. Another day here at the shop. I'm going to be working on a race car today. There's some simple green and some power steering fluid. So we got a little work to do. Hang on just a second. I'll get back to you. Okay, I'm in the shop. Excuse me, and I had some purchases. This is rivets for the race car. I went ahead and ordered them from the Speed Shop because they're cheaper. Since I had a big order and had basically free shipping, I could afford it. This is to cross the drag link. This is a Moog part for Monte Carlo. There's the new steering box. It comes from Speedway. These pieces here come from Speedway Motors Nebraska. This comes from Speedway Motors Nebraska. This came from Rock Auto. This is the old box. It's broke inside, and you can see the pitman arm and how warped it is. So all this is junk. This is going on the car in a few minutes. I'm just getting everything ready in the shop. So let's just hang loose. We'll work on the race car. Okay, I don't know how much you can see, but we've got a fixed race car. as far as the steering damage. There's the new steering box, the new drag link pieces of it you can see. And basically we used the same tie rod ends as they was good. Steering linkages and all look good. There's a little, you know, there's always gonna be some issues. Hopefully that should clear everything up. So we got it all bolted back together like it's supposed to. Carter keyed, tightened up. I'll give you a shot. You can kind of see up under there the new parts maybe. I'll get up there and get a good view maybe that you can see them. All right, hopefully you did. Now we just cover this puppy up and get ready to go get on the boat tomorrow for Saturday. All right, everybody knows I've been talking for 2 months about going on a cruise. I didn't take no video. Quite frankly, I was having too much fun. The madam took a lot of pictures, and I asked Chris to send me some via email of our cruise to Princess Cay and Bermuda. So I'm going to enclose some of this right after this here little intro. There are some things that I'd like to say. That's experiences we had. We've been on cruises before, but there was some tragedy on this cruise, and it kind of wasn't the cruise's fault. It's just the way things happen in life. The company, Carnival, done a really excellent job in handling the situations. Like with anything, there could have been some improvements, but you know, you get situations you're not sure what to do. Sometimes they happen. We was coming out of Bermuda, and we had an individual had an accident and had a life-threatening injury. So they had to turn the ship around very suddenly and go back to Bermuda because it's the only place they could go. And the only way they could get this gentleman this help he really desperately needed. So they got him off the boat. You know how with the laws of privacy, we don't really know more than that he is in a hospital and they're dealing with him. So that's all we knew. And then, you know, that put us late into Charleston, which created a little bit of headache getting out. There was some individuals, we understand that maybe one person unfortunately passed from heart condition on the ship. 2 or 3 others was injured, so they had to get them off first. Being that we was late, Charleston's, where we ported out of, was a bit of a challenge to get off the ship and into your car and out of the port area. But you know, this is the first time I've ever experienced this. First time Chris has ever experienced this. And even the people who was trying to help us, they didn't know what to do. It was just, you know, it was a new experience for the ship to be that late. There's a lot of travel plans that was changed around, a lot of scrambling. The cruise line and the people done the very best they could. Just something they just didn't anticipate. So with that being said, hope you enjoy these photographs, and I'm just going to do them like a slideshow right after this. So with all that being said, I hope you enjoy our little glimpse of our cruise. Thank you. I got to do a little shock mount repair. So to do that, I need to cut this. All I'm doing is making a strap. Trying to push it too quick. So what I'm doing now is actually cutting the strap right here. This strap will reinforce the stop mount. So now I just got to go down there and take this, and I'll hit it on the belt sander like a bird. Let's see, this is the front side of the bracket. And my welding ain't the best. This is where I cut a little strap welded here. And I'll take you around to the other side. I'm gonna kill my damn gun fool self in the process. Right there's a side view of it, of the bolt and everything. I keep finding places on this race car that's got sharp edges, and I have beat myself to death with it. But there we go. Now we've got this all put back together like it's supposed to be. All right, we got them little old piggies fat and happy. These ain't wild hogs, by the way, that gets trapped in the net on somebody else's channel and killed off. These are these little old pigs you fatten up and make bacon out of the right way. So we got our little pigs fat and bacon's fed. We're getting ready to sign off. I hope you enjoyed the mismatch of stuff this week we put together for you. And next Wednesday we'll have some more pig food of some sort. I'm kind of chasing my tail this week because I just got back off the cruise doing some work. In fact, the first day back, all I done was wash race car tires. So I've got shop projects, and some of them will be big ones, some of them will be little ones. We'll get some stuff together and show you what we're working on. By next week, you'll have an idea which way we're going. So with all that being said, my friends, I hope you enjoyed the video. Hope you subscribe. It's painless, doesn't cost anything, and there's no repercussions. No cost, no visits, no email, no phone calls. I promise you, if you subscribe to my channel, none of them will happen. And if you don't like what you see or you love what you see, hey, type in a comment. That's what they're for. I try to answer all of them. So sometimes there's some technical difficulties that kind of makes it aggravating. Oil cups are available. Do you still want one? Email me. Email's at the end of the video. It's always there on that little white card. So with all that being said, excuse me, have a great day, and we'll see you next Wednesday on that video or next some other video we're going to produce. Have a great day.